All right. Greetings everyone and welcome to Build Web3 with Shardium webinar series. This is Yash from Shardium Foundation. I manage the community initiatives at Shardium and I will be your host for this session. Now, before we begin, here are a few points about what not to expect out of. So the first point is don't expect a perfect webinar session. You just noticed that. So as this is a community initiative by Shardium community members, and this is just for the sole purpose of educating people, please excuse us for any mistakes that we make during the session. We'll make sure that it gets rectified next time. Number two, don't expect a theory session. As our motive is to provide a hands-on experience to everyone who's attending these sessions, we won't be covering every basic theories here, but would rather focus more on practical approach, as we found out that practical resources are something which are not easily available to everyone for free. But the theory is abundant. This will be your most memorable day. Vaijanath, please forward the slides. So yeah, this will be your most memorable day. At the end of the session, one thing that's certain is this will be your most memorable day because you will be creating your own crypto token for the first time, which you can send it to your friends, families, or Shardium community members, and that's all for free. And just to let you guys know, we also have cool giveaways in the end. So please stick to the whole meeting. Now, there were a few prerequisites for this session, like installing MetaMask, claiming free SHM tokens, and opening Remix IDE in your web browser. If you missed it out, I will throw all the links in the chat and you can do them right away. If you were not able to, and if you are not able to claim SHM, just drop your SHM wallet address and somebody from the community will send it to you. So you can just drop it in the chat. So by the time I will just share the links with you. So I will just share every links with you in the chat. Here are the chats. Here is the link that you can go through. And and if you miss if you miss out on any steps of this webinar, this video will be uploaded on Shardium's YouTube channel, so you can always find it there. So let's move forward and invite Vaijanath, who is our speaker for today's session. Just to give you a brief background of who Vaijanath is. So Vaijanath is a software developer by profession with expertise in Java, C#, and website development. He has been in Web3 space since 2019. He is a contributor at Shardium community and a Solidity developer. So yeah, now let's welcome Vaijanath to the stage. And I think Vaijanath, you can speak, right?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Is it audible to everyone?
I can hear you. And
hi. Yeah, just you make me to share my video also. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think you can start your video, Vaijanath. Cool. Hi, Vaijanath. We can see you now.
Wow, great. Thanks, Ash. Thanks for giving a brief introduction about myself and having me here and giving an opportunity to conduct this webinar. Okay. Thank you everyone here attending this webinar, taking your time, attending this webinar. And yes, we will guarantee create a crypto token today within the end of this webinar. So make sure you will be along with us to the end of the webinar, and as Ash told, there will be a giveaways for you also. So everyone will be knowing the blockchain and Bitcoin, actually, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You will be amazed, right? If I have one Bitcoin, if I have two Bitcoins of my own, yes. So this is an opportunity to create your own token. You can own the tokens and you can trade them You can trade in exchanges also after the mainnet. These are the test tokens. Okay. So how it is to having your own token, cryptocurrency? Yeah. Let us begin. Let us begin creating the our own crypto tokens.
So I think everybody should start their PCs if they're not, and
Yes.
because there's a giveaway of everybody who is creating something on.
So let me know how many of you are in front of your laptop or PCs and ready to code along with me.
Please
Just
in the chat.
drop in the chat. How many are ready? Oh, see the rest. Wow.
All right, we've got a lot of people. Yeah.
Yes, that's amazing. They are ready to create their own token, cryptocurrency. Yeah. Great. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. Yes, Vishesh. Yes. Anantu. Yes. Okay. Let's do it, guys. Yeah. So the webinar
Sumit is also ready. Yeah.
Yeah. Many are. I am amazed. So many are ready to create their own token, cryptocurrency. So the content of this webinar will be, I will go through the contents. We will start with the basics, just a brief introduction of blockchain, BTC, Ethereum and all. I will give an introduction of Shardium and Solidity basics. I will go through your Remix IDE. We will be using a Remix environment document for getting this token. And I will go through creating ARC20 token step by step. We have written a blog in Shardium, published in Shardium blogs. We will go step by step so that we will not miss any step by creating the tokens. Okay. So I will go how to claim the free SHMs and how to import those created tokens into your MetaMask. After successful creating, we will have fun. We will send each other. Yeah, we will do transactions. Okay. And lastly, we will conclude the webinar and we will have a live Q&A questions also. Yeah, question and answers. So let's begin. I'm excited. How about you all? Yes.
Is everybody excited? Just drop that in the chat so that we know that we're good to go. Ram is also excited. So Ram is also with us.
He should come up with his own token today.
Yeah. Today we want everybody's token name.
Yeah.
With their initials.
So just to give a brief basics of blockchain. Many are the new ones for all this crypto and blockchain. A blockchain is a growing list of records with the blocks, and it is linked together with cryptography. Okay, they will have a previous hash token, hash and previous block timestamp data. Like this, the block will go on creating one by one with a market tree practice here. It is a Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, Bitcoin is a decentralized network made for payment, orderless, trustless. Okay. After Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency is a Bitcoin itself. It's a digital currency used for peer-to-peer payment network. Okay. So how it works, you can see in the image. Yeah. Bitcoin blockchain works. Miners, they mine the blocks by proof of work. Then they transfer each other, and the transaction does work. So it's a just brief what is Bitcoin is. The Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, by the way. Okay. Before that, there were many tried attempts for decentralized digital currency, but Bitcoin is a successful first decentralized payment. Okay. After that, we have a cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Ethereum is also a decentralized open source blockchain. And what Vitalik Buterin and team did is they came up with a smart contracts. The smart contract functionality. You can write smart contracts and deploy your application on top of the blockchain. Bitcoin doesn't have that, but Ethereum does that. Ethereum does that by having its own Ethereum virtual machine. Okay. This Ethereum virtual machine runs in all the nodes, which maintains a single state of all the data in an Ethereum blockchain. So we write a smart contract, Solidity, by using Solidity program. When we deploy a contract, it is deployed on top of Ethereum virtual machine. We will see going forward. So we will see the ERC20 token standards later when I start. So just that was the basics. Anyone have questions? If you have any questions like what is blockchain, I don't know, I will explain it brief. Please drop in the chat. Yes, you can ask them.
Yeah, if anybody has any questions, they can just drop in the chat and then we'll take it. Before moving to code your own crypto token, because that's something we are expecting.
Yeah.
Okay, no basic questions. Please explain how POS works. Would you like to take this, Vaijanath?
No, actually, all the Bitcoin and Ethereum works with a proof of work mechanisms. Okay, they are actually the consensus mechanism. There is a computational work done with proof of work mechanism. With proof of stake (POS), only we have to stake the native cryptocurrency with some amount, and when you stake, you will become validated, actually a node. So the node will participate in consensus mechanism. Short, it's a short, yeah.
All right, so I think we should move ahead, because there are a lot of questions, and again, as we
I know, yes.
As we mentioned it, we are not here for theories, we are here to just build tokens.
So as we know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these blockchains, Solana, they have to compromise in something. Like Bitcoin is a purely decentralized and secure, but it has to compromise in scalability, right? There's a blockchain trilemma. Ethereum also cannot scale. It cannot solve the blockchain trilemma. We are happy to know that Shardium team is able to solve this blockchain trilemma. It is the first first EVM based L1 with a dynamic state sharding. Okay, this is the first one. L1. It can scale infinitely. It is EVM compatible, means you can write any smart contracts and deploy into the blockchain. So we will be using the Shardium blockchain itself. Yeah. And you know, the Shardium is just announced its testnet. We are in Liberty 1.2 version, the latest version. We will be deploying our crypto token on Shardium itself. So we will be writing our smart contract by using Solidity programming. It's an object-oriented programming language. Okay, it is a statistical type, what we call is. It also have a similar syntax of Java or C#, any other object-oriented programming language. It also have classes, functions, okay, modifiers, anything, always. So we will be using a Remix IDE to create and deploy our contracts. Cool? Exciting?
This really sounds exciting, yeah.
Yes. So let us move to creating how we can create a ERC20 token. Okay, we have written a blog how to create a ERC20 token.
Just a second, Vaijanath. Is that you who has drawn this? Like, you can remove this. I can see something on my screen.
Which one?
Are people
someone other. I can't draw that one. Red color, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Someone.
I think okay. We should move forward. I'll just remove that. Don't worry.
No worries. Okay, to create an ERC20 token, we will be going through all the steps, basic steps, and we will be using this link. Yes, you can drop the link of this link, so the one who are in front of laptop, they can go through this and create a token along with us, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So let us just know, basically, what we will learn is how to get the MetaMask installed and set up the Shardium network, get a free SHM tokens, okay, and write a ERC20 token smart contract, and how to deploy the Shardium blockchain, we can deploy there and interact with our newly created tokens. Yes. Basically, to develop any smart contract, we need a Solidity. Means it's a programming language. We are writing a Solidity programming language, and a node. Actually, for Shardium, we are using our RPS nodes, RPC nodes, and for other blockchain, like if you say Polygon, Ethereum, anything, we have to use a node providers like Alchemy, Infura, and all. And we need a developer environment. Here we are using Remix and Hardhat. Remix we will be using. Hardhat we can. It's also an development environment, and Truffle also. The Remix is an online. We will be using Remix. We need a cryptocurrency to pay the gas, right? So we need, in case to deploy on Shardium blockchain, we need a SHM token, and we need a MetaMask to interact with the blockchain. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah. So to start with, to write a smart contract, now we know we need we are writing a program in Solidity language. Okay. We need a node. So in case we are for this, we are using SHM node, and we need a development environment. We are using Remix for this, and we need a cryptocurrency to pay the gas, right? We need to deploy into the blockchain, means we need to pay a gas fees, and we need a MetaMask to interact, right? Yeah. So I will go step by step of this creating a crypto token of the blog which I have written. So let us know what is ERC20 token in brief. ERC20 token are issued by Ethereum network and Ethereum blockchain. Okay. Ethereum is a layer 1 blockchain that carries several independent and dependent L1 and L2 blockchains, right? ERC20 token is a standard that all the community is following. Okay. So in this, what is ERC is? It is a Ethereum request for comment. Okay, we call it as a EIP also, right? Ethereum improvement proposals. It is an open source, everyone can contribute, and they are maintaining a standard. For every ERC20 token, it will come up with inbuilt functions like what is the total supply, what is the balance, we can check balance off, we can give allowances, we can transfer, we can approve, we can transfer from also. So let us create and deploy now. So Yesh, I want to make sure that everyone will have installed the MetaMask. Shall I go through that? Shall we know how many are installed?
I think we should move to
Everyone?
that. I will just share that with people.
Oh.
So here is
I have a MetaMask installed. Wow. Many are.
All right. For those who don't, here is the link.
Yes.
You guys can just do that.
I will go through that also. No worries. So to deploy ERC20 token, what I need is. Can you see me, Kesh?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So for deploying and creating ERC20 token and interacting with the blockchain, we need a MetaMask. Okay. So MetaMask acts like a interface. It stores your private keys. So if anyone here who has not downloaded the MetaMask, you can open this link metamask.io and download. Okay, download for this and install to your browser. You can just go and install a MetaMask for home. Is it clear, Ish? Audience, everyone? Hello. Ish, you are not audible. I think you are on me. Okay, let us go forward. So you came to know how to download the MetaMask, right? Open a metamask.io, download and install for MetaMask for Chrome. It will immediately get installed. You set up
Vaijanath, you are on mute.
Yes, is it audible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So let us make sure that the one who has not installed the MetaMask, they can open metamask.io link and they can go for downloads and install MetaMask for Chrome if they are using Chrome. Yep. We need a MetaMask. I showed you how to download and install. Just click install MetaMask and go through all the steps.
In case everybody doesn't know where to go, I will just share the link with everybody. Here is the blog which Vaijanath is referring to.
Yeah.
I did share this before, but here is the link again.
So to deploy a smart contract, to create a ERC20 token, this is the most basic needed one, MetaMask. We need a MetaMask or any other wallet to interact with the blockchain, right? So shall we move forward?
Yeah, I think we should. Just let us know if we should move forward and start creating our own token.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's go on. Everybody's typing yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
And I will be using this Remix IDE. So everyone, please open your Remix online integrated environment, document environment, remix.ethereum.org. Okay.
I will just drop this as well.
Yeah. Just type remix.ethereum.org, right? And press enter.
There you go.
Yeah.
Just open this and we start creating our own token.
Yeah. I'll just go through this Remix ID just in a brief. So Remix is an online integrated development environment where we can write a smart contract by Solidity programming. We can deploy our smart contracts in the test of this integration development environment, or we can deploy in any other blockchain like Ethereum, Polygon, any other, like Shardium also. So when you open, you will get a home page like this. You will be getting a home page where you can see Solidity and all. And we have a workspace. Left corner, you have click that one. We have a default workspace and code samples. We will be using a default workspace. The default workspace will come with contracts, scripts, and tests. We will be writing the contracts, right? We need a contract. And next, there is a Solidity compiler. This tab, Solidity compiler tab, which shows which version this present remix is using. Okay, we can compile and run our Solidity program. Next, we have a deploy and run transaction section where we will be using a deploy environment. We have inbuilt JavaScript virtual machine deployment, and we have injected Web3 or Web3 providers and all. I will show you later on how by creating. Okay, we can debug our program. We can debug by using debugger. At this webinar, we will not be using that. You can run any tests by creating a test scripts. You can run. Okay, you can automate the tests also. Cool. So everyone have got installed their MetaMask. Now, what next? We need to add a Shardium network to a MetaMask, right? We are deploying our token into a Shardium blockchain, so we need a Shardium network. So after installing your MetaMask, you just go to the instructions to add your Shardium network. Okay. Everyone open this instruction to add Shardium network to the MetaMask and how we will claim the SHM tokens. So once you open this instructions, you will direct to docs.shardium.org where we can get all the details how to add and claim the Liberty networks. Okay. I will go here, wallets, MetaMask, installing. Okay. Create account. Now first we have to add the Shardium network. So all of you just go to your MetaMask, open your MetaMask. It's audible, right, Ash? Everyone?
Yeah, it's audible.
Everyone following me, right?
Everybody is following you. I will just drop the Shardium networks basics.
Yeah. I will try to unmute. Okay.
Yeah, you're unmuted, Vaijanath. You're unmuted. You can continue.
Yo, everyone go to your MetaMask, okay? And there you just go to the networks. You just click the top one, go to the networks and go to add a new network. Open add a new network. Okay. Everyone open this one, add a new network. Just drop yes or no.
Yeah, I'll see. Okay, yeah, it's done. Added. Yes.
Oh.
Added Shardium network. Yeah.
Just put a network name and new RPC URL, whatever provided here, right? Network name will be a Shardium Liberty, okay? RPC URL, you just put that RPC URL. Here we have a new RPC URL, right? Put that new RPC URL. Chain ID is 8080. Just provide chain ID as 8080.
You can find the RPC URL in the link that I have shared.
Yeah. This link, just share it. Everyone can see this link and they can just copy paste. Because if you miss any a single spelling, it will not pop up. Yeah. So once everyone fill this one, just give a Explorer. It's an optional. You can give a Explorer also. This Explorer link, right? And just click save. Okay. I will not click save because I have already added this network into my MetaMask. Okay.
So Farhat is asking, can we create a token using mobile?
No, actually, you can create a token using mobile, but you should open this remix.ethereum.org, the online document environment in mobile browser. It will take very much time to load and do all these things, right? It will consume more RAM actually.
All right, then let's move forward. I think we are done, right?
Yeah, we are done. I'm waiting for this. So we are done. We everyone have added the network. So after adding the network, what you have to do is you have to now create an account, right? Your own account. I will show you how it is. Just follow these steps. Go to MetaMask. On top, you can create. Click this link button. Yes, you can see my this cursor also, right?
Yes.
Okay. MetaMask, sometimes it will take much time because now many links are open, right? It will take some time to load actually.
Doesn't matter, it happens sometimes.
Yeah. MetaMask will happen for anyone, not for me. So just click this right top button, okay? And you can create a new account. Give it name, any name like Shardium Liberty. This is a Liberty means AlphaNet. Okay. This account name already exists. I have already existed, so it's giving me. You can give any name. I can and just click create button. Okay. Yeah. You have added the network and you have created the account. Now what you have to do is just go to network and choose your Ethereum Shardium Liberty network. Okay, not any other networks.
So Vaijanath, there is a
Yeah.
problem. People are saying that this URL is currently used by Shardium Liberty 1.0 network. Is this something?
Yeah. It's a default.
But they say that there is an error. You're on mute, Vaijanath. So they're saying that there's an error about. Okay, no error. Good.
Just Senthil, Senthil is asking he got error. May I know what is the error? No error. Okay. So how many have done through this? They added the network and they have added the account. May I know how many people have done this step already? Done.
Yeah, we've got a lot of
done. Great. Is this they have done earlier or they have followed this?
No idea, but people are messaging me directly saying we are done.
Earlier. Okay.
Before starting the webinar.
Great. See the enthusiasm of the audience. How much enthusiastic to create the.
All right.
Yeah. So next we need to claim the SHM. Okay. Yes, you can just.
Yes.
See here. I
will just drop the faucet link here.
Faucet link. Yeah.
There you go.
Why we need to claim SHM tokens? Can anyone tell me? Yes, you can tell me.
So in order to have a smart contract built, I think this is why we'll need SHM. We'll have to pay gas fees, right? If I'm not so.
Yes.
All right, gas fees.
Yeah. Just please follow these steps. How to claim 100 Liberty SHM. We should be thankful for Shardium Foundation. They are giving us free 100 SHMs, but these are only a test tokens. Yeah, they don't hold any value. These are only a test tokens. Okay.
This is to test the Shardium network.
Yeah. So after you adding Shardium Liberty and added your account, choose a Shardium Liberty network and now go to faucet and just click a tweet now. Okay. Tweet now link. See, when you open this, there's an option to click tweet now. You have to tweet in order to get the SHM. The one who have got SHM already, no worries. Just be patient because we have participants who don't have anything. They installed the MetaMask now. They added Shardium Liberty network. They created an account in MetaMask, choose the Shardium Liberty as a network. Now they are claiming the free SHM tokens, right?
And in case if anybody misses that out, what they can do?
No worries.
They can always watch the video, or if not, just drop your wallet addresses here and somebody from the community will send you some SHMs. The people who have extra SHM can definitely help each other out, right? Yeah. So can you see that when I open the faucet link and when I click tweet now, it opened my Twitter when I already opened and logged into my Twitter. So it just given me a tweet to tweet, but don't just directly click a tweet now. Okay. Don't directly tweet. What you have to do is you have to paste your address. My address is there, right? You just remove this address. Yeah. Go to your MetaMask. In case mine is this one. Okay. Just copy your address.
Shardium address. You have created right just now. Copy that address and you have to paste that address. Make sure you chosen your Shardium account, which one you have just created right now, and the network should be Shardium Liberty Network. Okay. Then only you should copy the address. This address. This is your address, means it is your account. Okay. Copy this address and put it there in your tweet. My address is yo and tweet. Okay. Everyone, please do these steps. Put your account address and tweet it. Once you tweet, it depends on the network. You will get 100 free SHM tokens. Okay. You will get. Yes, did you try this earlier many times? Right?
Yes, I have done this a lot of times.
Yeah. So we will move forward then. Many have got their SHMs, I think, earlier only. If anyone followed this step and not having SHM, Yesh will help.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think Shubham and other people are with us who can send them your tokens. So like I'm seeing people dropping
Already,
the
yeah.
wallet addresses. They'll get SHM. Just don't worry about that. Just keep refreshing and you'll get some SHM to create tokens.
Yo. Please drop your Shardium address. That is the Shardium address in MetaMask. Okay. We will move forward then. Okay. Now we are ready to create our own token, right? Go to your Remix IDE. Choose default workspace, okay, and choose a contracts folder. You can see many folders here. Choose contract folder and click this create a new file. Okay. In case now I am giving some test ERC token .sol, right? What is this .sol? Means it is an extension of Solidity programming language. Like in Java, we have a .java. In C# we have a .cs. And all the HTML web pages will come with .html, right? JavaScript.js. For Solidity programming language, the extension is .sol. Okay, just click enter. Yo. What we are doing here is we are creating our token, ERC20 token. So let us know what is ERC20 means, all the tokens, right? Many have a misconception of a token that it is something only a monetary and all. No, token on blockchain is a powerful and most misunderstood tool actually. They can represent anything. They can represent anything like money, time, services, right? And shares in a company, okay? The token can represent anything. So we have different types of tokens on top of Ethereum, like ERC20 token we are creating now. It is a fungible token, okay? We have ERC721 token. It is a non-fungible, like we call NFTs. They are used for NFTs. NFT is also a token, by the way. And ERC777 is another compatible with ERC20 token. But now we will use the ERC20 token standard. Okay. Yes.
So Shubham has sent everybody SHMs. I think
Wow.
Everybody must have got all the SHMs now.
Send 5 SHM. Wow, great.
This is how everybody helps each other out.
Yeah. So ERP token standard comes with some basic functions. Okay, I will just tell you. The function name. The function is a name with a public which returns a string name of the ERC20 token, and function symbol will come which also returns a string. Okay. Basically, for any ERC20 token, we will be having a name of the token and a symbol of the token. Okay. And we have a decimals. In Ethereum ERC20 token, we have 18 decimals as a standard decimals. And we can give a total supply, we can check balance of, and all these functions are pre-built written in ERP20 or ERC20 token back in 2015. You can see by Vitalik Buterin and another co-founder, right, Fabian. Understood, Yesh? ERC20 standard, actually what are the functions and all?
Yes, I think people have understood, everybody.
Thank you.
Just let us know and just
if any questions, drop questions. Happy to answer. Okay. Yes, you can ask the questions in middle.
Yeah, I'm waiting. But yeah, people have understood. They're saying yes, yes.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I think
many are techie guys. Okay.
Yeah, we should move forward.
Okay. I'll just close because MetaMask will get angry on me.
Yes, Pradeep, we're just starting to create tokens.
You can join, no worries. See, we have done adding Shardium network. Now we can code by using Remix IDE. Just hop on to the code itself. Okay, everyone created their new file. You can give any name. Okay, you can give any name. Let's see, test ERC token, anything. I just given a test ERC token. Okay. So when you create, you just open that .sol file and just write the license, SPDX license, identifier. So what this line is, every Solidity programming language, we need to give what is the license of that Solidity code. Okay. SPDX license identifier MIT means it's an unlicensed, means it's public. I am making it as a public with under MIT license. If I want to make it private or I don't want to give it as a public, I just need to give an unlicensed. Okay. But I don't want to give unlicensed because Web3 is a decentralized, accessible by everyone. Even Ethereum, every blockchain is open source. So just write MIT license. Yeah. Next line, what we have to do is write along with me Pragma, Solidity, version. We have to specify what version we are using for this smart contract. Okay. I will write greater than 0.8.0 version. I will be using the Solidity compiler version more than 0.8.0. Okay. If you want to use exact, like you can specify, I can use exact 0.8.0 or lesser than 0.8.0, anything. But here the standard will be 0.8.0, more than 0.8.0. Okay. We have many recent versions like 0.8.7, 0.8 up to 15 now. So this actually specifies the version of the Solidity, what you are using in your contract. So after that, I will be importing one of the standard library called Open Zeppelin contracts. Okay. I will show you Open Zeppelin contracts. What is Open Zeppelin is, it's acts as a standard library throughout the globe. Every Ethereum community is using Open Zeppelin as a standard libraries to write their smart contracts to use anything, because you no need to write any another secured contract. They are written very keeping in mind a security also, okay, and they are secured versions for using any tokens like ERC20. We have ERC721, okay. So open Zeppelin contract GitHub link. If you want, yes, you can drop this link. They can go through this code.
Sure.
So yeah, open Zeppelin's ERC20 code. I will just go through what they have. They have written everything. They have their own contract which have mappings of address and amount and everything. They have their own constructor, right? They have a own constructor which will take a name and symbol as an input parameters. We need to specify the name and symbol, and they, what that name function name does, what it the symbol does. They have written everything. This we are using this, okay. We are using this contract, Open Zeppelin's contract, to create our own token. So just write Open Zeppelin contract. You can follow. Open Zeppelin /contract/token /ERC20/ERC20 token we will use. ERC20.sol. Okay. So what does it basically means is it imports everything, whatever is there inside this contract, right? It will import. It will import directly. So now I will start creating my own contract. Say contract, what I have given, you can give the same name as your .sol name, okay? You can give anything, but the standard we follow is give the same name. Contract test ERC20 token is ERC20. So what does this means is my contract test ERC20 token inheriting the ERC20 token which is written by Open Zeppelin, right? Can you see that one? Is means it will inherit everything.
Is there a way, Vaijanath, you can directly put all of these codes in the chat itself so that people can just copy and paste it?
There's a blog, right? In the blog also they can directly copy.
All right,
need
I'll
to
just
write it. Yeah.
I'll just copy and paste it for them.
They can copy, but just I will give in a brief. Contract test token, ERC20 token and all, okay? Got it? So what I did is you can also copy paste because it will take much time. I can explain you in later. My contract is ERC20 token, okay, and it has a constructor function. What is this means? This constructor is deployed as soon as you deploy your contract on top of blockchain. This constructor will be called only once. If you have any function, say function do run and all, okay, do rub anything. What this means is this function can be called any times by your smart contracts by front end, okay, but what constructor means is it is deployed, it is run only once. When you deploy your contract, it is run only once. So constructor which will take a name as input parameter and string symbol also. We have to pass the name and symbol for ERC20, same as a name and symbol. Why we have to pass name and symbol is in Open Zeppelin contract we have the function mint, okay, or contract constructor also. See, what the standard is using is they need a name and symbol of the token, which one you are creating. So we are passing the name and symbol for a constructor. ERC20 means we are calling a constructor of this ERC20 token. Okay. And there is the main function of ERC20 token, which uses, we have to pass the account and amount to that, to call that function. So I'll be using the main function to create my token message.sender. Okay. Message.sender means the one who is deploying the contract. The one who is deploying the contract is message.sender. And the amount, how much amount, I am just hard coding it. Say like you can give any amount.
So basically, if I want it to be 1 million or 1 billion.
So basically, I want 10 coins also, okay, to test. Okay. You can specify 10. If you want 100, give 100, 1,000, 10,000, million, billions, anything. Like you can see in Shiba and all, they are trillions, right?
Yeah.
But Bitcoin is 21 million. This one, they have deployed on when they created the blockchain, like this code will be there. Okay. If you specify 10,000, or here in my case, I am giving 1 lakh tokens into 10 to the power of 18. What does this mean is we have to supply the decimal also. Ethereum comes with units. In Ethereum, we have a units, okay? One, do you know this, Ish? Or any audience?
Yeah.
We know only 1 Ether, right?
There are so many units of Ethereum. Yeah.
Yeah, see that. So we will be knowing only 1, like 1 Ether, 2 Ether. I don't know, yes, maybe having some 200 Ethereums, right?
Wish I had.
1 Ether is 10 to the power of 18 ways. It is a unit of Ether. Dwe is a 10 to the power of 9. Okay. So what we will be doing is 10 to the power of 18 means exact this much amounts. I will be deploying, giving a supply as 1 lakh. Cool. Yeah. Everyone following with me?
Yes, I think everybody is. Just type in yes so that we get to know that.
Yeah, we get to know. We get to know.
Okay. Yes, everybody is typing yes. There are so many people who are building along with us. This is so great.
We need to applause for them. Actually, they are following. Yeah, only this much code, Ash. Only this much code is enough to create your token, to deploy your token on top of any blockchain. I will show you. Just if you don't have an auto compile ticket, you can just click auto compile. Okay. So make sure there are no errors. See, I may be having some warning, just you can ignore that. But errors, you have to make sure there are no errors. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So the Solidity version, what I had given here is 0.8.0, greater than, right? So 0.8.7 works for me. Okay. I compile. What I have done is I have written a smart contract code to create a ERC20 token by passing my name and symbol into a constructor. And inside a constructor, I'm calling a mint function, which will mint 1 lakh tokens and sends to message.sender, means the one who is deploying the contract. You got it? Okay. So now click this deploy and run environment. Okay. Here we have we can choose JavaScript environment. We can choose injected Web3, anything. Say I will test. Shall we test before deploying to Shardium? We can deploy into the testnet. Means the one comes with the IDE Remix. I will show you. Just choose JavaScript VM. Okay. When you choose JavaScript demo blockchain, you will come with so many accounts with a pre-filled 100 Ethereums. These are test tokens, okay? These are just test tokens, which is provided by Remix. So choose JavaScript, account, gas limit and value don't use now, don't ignore them. Now choose the contract. If you open so many contracts here, you have to choose which the exact this contract, test ERC20 token in my case, okay? Test ERC, right? I have chosen my contract and now I have to deploy it into a blockchain. So why this is asking the name and symbol? Because we are passing name and symbol into the constructor, right? So whatever you write here, it will come here, okay? So just give a name and a symbol. Shall I will give my name itself, Vaiju test token, okay? Symbol VTT or any other VTH. I want to give a symbol as VTH. So give any name, any symbol of your preferences. Now just click a transact, okay? Just see the magic. Woohoo!
Okay, so it's
see in the console here, bottom you can see a green tick mark. What does it says is you have successfully transacted into the blockchain. Okay, the testnet blockchain, what you have choose here as environment. If you click this drop button, you will get all the details of the contract you deployed. See, as a status, yes, transaction mined and executed, the transaction hash, and from to everything. What is the gas used? What is the gas cost of the transaction? Okay, and see here the value 1 lakh. It is actually 1 lakh into 18 zeros, okay, decimal places. Great. So you have created your token in a JavaScript virtual environment, means it is a test blockchain. So when you deploy, see here, deployed contracts, you will get deployed contract details. Just click this button, okay? This is a test token contract address. The one who is deploying the contract is a different address. And when you deploy a contract, your token, you will come up with a different contract address. It will create a different address. You just go, you need to copy this and keep, it may be helpful before, afterwards. So when you deploy a contract token, it had come up with all the pre-filled functions as we seen here, right? It has all the burn function, the transfer function, approve function, whatever they have written as a standard. I got it, right? I got it here. You can see there are two types of buttons like orange and blue, light blue. Orange button is used to write into a blockchain. These will change the state of the blockchain actually. They will write something to the blockchain and you need a gas for payment. Okay, you have to pay the gas to call this function. The blue color, which is here, is just a call function. You are reading from the blockchain. You are not writing anything to the blockchain, or you are not changing the state of the blockchain. Okay. So I have deployed with this account. I will just copy. You just copy this account and check. I want to check the balance of that account. Okay. Copy and paste here and just call it. Let's see how much it is giving. 1 lakh into 10 raised to 18. So I successfully deployed my token, and I also can see the balance of any address. Okay. You can see what is the name. See, Vaiju test token is the name. What is the symbol of the token? Wow, VTH. What is the total supply? Wow. So what we are doing, we have deployed and we are checking, we are reading from the blockchain, right? Everyone following all these steps?
yes, everybody is following, and
wow.
Yeah, they are excited. They can see how excited you are and how excited they are.
I am very much excited. Okay.
I can see that on the
See there. Yeah, fire, fire. Oh, I'm not able to on my video actually. Yes.
All right, I'll just give you the permissions.
But please, audience, don't the attendees, please don't write anything on the screen. Okay, okay, we'll move forward. Many have deployed already. Wow. Yes, any questions? You can ask for the audience if any questions.
Do we have any questions here?
What we did is we have deployed our token on a demo blockchain, which comes with Remix. Okay. Okay, cool. We will move forward. Now, what we will do is we will deploy our real means a token on top of Shardium. How can we do that? I want to deploy my token on top of Shardium blockchain or on top of Polygon or Ethereum. Yes, you can do same thing. Just delete the old contract. Deployed contract, you just delete that old deployed contract. Now, what you have to do is nothing. Just change the environment. Okay. Here, what we did earlier, we have choose the JavaScript virtual machine. Now, just choose the injected Web3. What does that means is it will connect to your MetaMask.
Puneet has a question, and Vishal says send token code in the chat box.
Send token code?
Yes. And Puneet also has a question.
Shall I paste? You want the token code, right? I can paste it.
Yeah, I have already pasted that actually.
But it will go up, right? The one who keeps on messaging. Can you ping some messages?
we got the message again, so don't worry about that.
You can see there's any pin option to pin that. Okay, no worries.
Yeah, it's there, Vaijanath. Don't worry about that.
Wow, great. Yeah, I am very much excited actually. Now I have to deploy my contract and my created token on Shardium. Just go to environment and choose injected Web3. What this means is it will direct to our MetaMask. Now we need our contract to deploy to a Shardium. We need a MetaMask, okay, which will MetaMask in turn will talk with the Shardium blockchain. See, when I choose the injected Web3, my MetaMask came. So make sure you have chosen Shardium Liberty Network and your Shardium account, okay? And you should have some SHM because we need to pay a gas fees now. Okay, cool. Shall I proceed?
Yeah, I think everybody has SHM. So
please make sure everyone have SHM.
Yes, they're saying yes.
Okay. I am excited to deploy now. See, when you choose injected Web3, automatically it chooses your account. See, 0x6df--ca32 is my account address. Okay, MetaMask account. It is a SHM blockchain account address. Okay, I have a 204 SHM, but Remix only knows the Ether values. So it will give 204 Ethereum. No, don't worry about that. Okay, it only knows the Ether, not any other tokens. So account is CA32. Okay. Now don't worry about the gas or value. You can send one Ethereum like that when you want to send to any other. Now don't worry about gas and value. Now choose your contract, same test ERC20 token contract. Okay, give the name as it is, or if you want to change, you can change the name or you can keep it as it is. Just click transact button now. See what it is telling. Can you see that? Creation of test ERC token is pending. What it is doing, it is redirecting to a MetaMask, and MetaMask in turn will redirect to our Shardium blockchain. Wow.
There you go. There you go.
Yo, what it is asking? See here. From remix ethereum.org, okay, we are deploying the contract. Some estimated gas fees, it will show, don't worry now. Estimated gas fees, it is very less, actually 0.2 SHM, and in turn it will not use this much also. It will use very much SHM in gas fees. Let us confirm then. Everyone, just click a confirm button. I want to on my video actually.
Vaijanath, somebody is saying that provider not connected. What is?
Okay, just refresh your remix. Okay. Yo, can you see here? Yes. Everyone, audience, I got a green tick.
There you go.
What does this mean?
There you go.
I created my token, my smart contract. I deployed successfully. Green tick means deployment, successful deployment. Transaction mined and execution succeeded. Transaction hash. Okay, everything same. I got right. Yes, the one who was asking the question, just ask him to refresh.
Yeah.
Refresh the Ethereum environment.
Yeah, people are helping each other by asking. Yeah, they can refresh.
I am excited.
So, Vaijanath, you can start your screen.
Can you see me?
Yeah, we can see you. We can see how excited are you.
See, I have deployed my contract. I created a crypto token on Shardium. Okay, not on any demo blockchain. On Shardium, I have created now. Okay. So once this green check mark you got, go to deploy contracts below in deploy and run transaction. Click that small button, this small button. What you have to do is, audience, just copy this contract address. Okay, don't lose. The address, account address is different from contract address. Okay. The one who deployed this contract is this account. Yeah, this account. That is me. But the contract of this token is different. The contract address you have to copy and you have to just paste somewhere. Just keep it in any text or anything. Just put it here, just for reference. Everyone, just copy your contract address. I want to copy your contract address because we need it. We need it going forward.
Yeah, we will need everybody's contract address. By
Please
the way,
copy.
Vaijanath, somebody is saying that are you faculty in any institute? Your way of teaching is really good. Would you like to answer that?
Thank you for that compliment. Actually, I am not. I am a learner. From 2017, I am learning. Yeah. But this is my first webinar actually. By the way, the online webinar, what I am taking, this is the first. Going great. Oh, thank you. How to compile? Someone is asking. I can tell you going forward. Yes, can you ask them that everyone copied the contract?
Yeah, have everybody copied that?
Please make sure. Drop S.
Yes.
No, I'm not seeing. Okay, once again, I need to. Wow. Serious.
Yes.
Currently, you have contract instance. No, control process will compile. Yes, control process you can compile directly. Someone posting the contract address also. Yes. Wow. Okay. After I will tell you, just copy the contract address, and what I have to do is go to the Shardium Explorer, right? Can you drop that Explorer if you have Ish?
Vaijanath, just a second. Somebody is asking, currently you have no contract instances to interact with.
He has not deployed, then something went wrong with him.
All right.
He has not successfully deployed the contract. Make sure, I will tell you, make sure the environment you selected as injected Web3, and after that, your MetaMask you should connect Shardeum Liberty Network, and the account also you should connect a newly created account. Okay. Yeah. I have not compiled the token. Okay.
So everybody has created their tokens now, right?
Yeah, someone have not yet, but majority have copied their token contract address already, I think. Yeah, I will show you surprise now. Yes, just drop the Explorer link if you have.
Yeah, sure.
If anyone missing, you can go to the blog also. Okay, we dropped the blog link. I got the Explorer.
Yeah, I've got the link. I'll just drop
Okay,
it.
okay,
I'll just put this.
So don't click delete button, just copy the contract address and I will show you the magic. Open your Shardium Explorer, Blockchain Explorer, which is running globally. Okay, it is running globally. Just paste. Go to Explorer and paste your token contract address and click search. Oh, see there. Yes.
There it is.
There it is. No one can delete this token from Shardium now. I have successfully deployed. Yeah. See that the address of my token contract. Okay. The name Vaiju test token, the symbol VTH. What is the supply? Supply of my own crypto, right? Everything you are getting in Explorer. So what is the transaction hash? What is the contract deployment? In which cycle it was? Okay, in Shardium we use a sharding light and there are cycles. In which cycle it is deployed? What is timestamp and from to everything. You people can see your own token there.
We are very, by the way, Vaijanath, we are very close to have 500.
500?
Yeah, 500 smart contracts now.
Wow.
So that's great. On Shardium.
With this, yeah, if all the attendees are there here, we will have more than 50 contracts right now.
Yeah. See, Ram is sharing that total contracts at 932 were 454. Now they are 492. So that's really great that we are able to achieve this. Like so many people have, so many people have deployed and got their first crypto token. Kudos to everybody.
I also had my token. Kudos to everyone. You are owning your own token actually. With this, you can do anything. You can use it as a payment for anything, right? You can use it as a shares of your own company if you have. Yo, see that?
That's great.
Great. Now, not only this much, I will go through very quick that I made sure that I have all my token details in blockchain, right? In Shardium blockchain. Now I have to import that. I have to import into my MetaMask so that I can send to you guys. I want to receive means I have to interact with MetaMask, right? So just go to MetaMask. I'll show a simple steps. Simple step.
And now with this, we can actually send our tokens to each other, right?
Yeah. If Ram had created his token, I want that now.
And others as well. So I see.
Yeah, others as well.
I see.
Everyone.
Has created. Sovik has created. Supply showing 0. Please help.
I will help. You just make sure that the supply 1 lakh where I had written, make sure that it is not 0.
Yeah.
I will go through. Okay. So open your MetaMask. And here you can see there are assets and activity, right? I want assets now. Click assets. Okay. What you have to do is just click assets and go to import tokens. See what you are getting when you go to import tokens, what it is asking, just asking your token contract address. And you have to make sure you have chosen the Shardium Liberty network. Okay. Yeah. Now what I will do is I will copy my contract address. You please copy your contract address. Okay. Copy once you copied your token contract address, click import and just paste it. And I paste it. See, have you seen the magic? The blockchain, the MetaMask, they all are talking each other. Now the MetaMask knows your crypto token when you return the contract address. It just directly gave you the symbol, the decimals, right? Just click add custom token. Wow, how much? Yes, can you see how much balance I have?
So it's that easy to create a token on Shardium, right?
Yeah, on Shardium, on Polygon, anyway. It's just simple code and we are deploying on top of Shardium. See, I had given 1 lakh as my supply, right? So I have 1 lakh and I was the one who deployed that contract. So I have that one. So just click import tokens. Wow, I have my 1 lakh VTS tokens now. I can do anything with that. Go to assets, see here. You can send or you can receive. Yeah. Everyone able to do that one. I want to know. See, someone is doing like this.
Yeah.
I have my own token now. Everyone has their own tokens.
Ram also has their own his own token. You can share. Everybody can share. Everybody can share. Yeah.
Please, someone can give your Shardium address. I want to send my tokens now. VTS tokens. I will send you. I will show you. I will show you. We can directly do that.
So Saeed says supply is 0. So yeah, we've started getting a lot of addresses. You can send the tokens now.
Is this a contract address or your Shardium address? Make sure, not the contract address. Okay?
Yeah, this is Shardium wallet address.
They are.
You can just copy and give them.
Oh, I can't copy also. Many are pasting.
We've got so many addresses now.
Oh, 1 second. I will do like this. I will pick random, okay? Wait, guys, wait. I want to copy someone's. I copied. I don't know who's this one. I will send. I want to send my VTH now. Just go to VTH, click VTH. I will show from first. Choose assets, okay. Come down. I have added another my test token also, and the newly created one is VTH. Go there, choose, and click send. You can send in between your own accounts also. See, I have my can transfer within my accounts because I have many accounts, right? See, I have my own OpenSea account, Build Space account, Unstoppable, Shardium Liberty, Alchemy, any account. So I can transact in between my accounts, or I can paste the one who had given me their address. So when you paste, it will give how much amount I have to send. How much you want, man? Yes, how much I can give in one like I will give 10 tokens.
You can give them 10,000 tokens.
10,000 token. Okay. Click next.
Everybody who's asking their supply is 0, maybe
I will make sure. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll finish this one. Yeah.
Sure.
See here. Once you come click the next, you will get your estimated gas fees, everything total how much. Well, 10,000 VTH and gas fees. Just confirm. Just click confirm and you are done. And all these we are doing on Shardium Liberty testnet. Okay. And once Shardium goes for mainnet, you can do this one in mainnet also. Yeah.
All right. So we've sent this. It's
It's
waiting right now.
pending, yeah,
Yeah.
due to the network of it will consider into the net. No worries.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
someone dropping
yeah.
arrow mark. Wow.
There you go.
Whoa!
There you go. There
It's
you go.
already sent, right? See here. It confirmed. That much quick it is.
How fast Shardium network is.
The one who had given that address, whose address you can check. Actually, this address it will not take. I think we will see. So we
Vaijanath, you went on mute. I will just unmute you. Yeah.
yeah. If by mistake if I click mute, you know,
It's
I
okay.
cannot
It's okay.
unmute. Okay.
Yeah, it's
But
okay.
you can on my
Yeah.
video also.
All right.
So what I did, I created my own token, crypto token, deployed in test blockchain and deployed on top of Shardium. Okay. I created crypto token. I deployed it on top of Shardium. I imported into my MetaMask and I sent to my buddy, the one who is attending here. I don't know whose address it is. I successfully sent also. What you can do is, yeah, open your MetaMask. You can see me, right? Yes.
Yeah, I can see you. Yusuf, please don't write when we are.
Thank you. Someone is writing. Please, please
Yeah,
don't don't write
but
on the screen, please,
yeah,
audience.
but
It
if
is
this
recording, and all the global people will see this recording also going forward.
511 tokens. That's great.
Who?
So yeah, we just got 511 tokens.
511 contracts.
Yes, sorry,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
511 contracts.
So many are deploying the token. Huh? They are very active. What you have to do is just go to assets. I sent, right? Now see, I had earlier I had a 1 lakh VTH, right? Now has Ash informed me, I sent 10,000 to a random guy. Now what is the balance? You can see here, 9,000, right? So just you copy your address, means copy your address, Shardium Liberty address, go to Explorer. I had opened my Explorer, yeah, here. Home. Just try to paste your own address, okay? It will give all the history. In Explorer, open your Shardium blockchain Explorer. Yeah, see, I have 204 SHM and see all the history. Can you see, Yash?
Yes.
Just 4 minutes behind what I did. 18 minutes behind, I have created a contract, right? I deployed contract creation. See the transaction fees, how much it is? Very less, actually. Very, very less. And 4 minutes back, I have transferred. I have transferred from my account to this one, right? Someone. Yeah. Token transfer, everything. See, can you see the value, Yash? 10,000?
10,000, yeah. 10,000 tokens.
Like this, how you will track all the transactions. So I successfully created crypto token, exported into MetaMask. I sent to my random buddy attending here. I'm successful in doing all these things, right? Wow.
That's great. So I think what we wanted to do, we have achieved that, and everybody who are here must have also created their tokens. If you like this and
Can we ask anyone here who have created the first token? Please,
yeah,
please
how
drop S.
How many
This
people?
their
How
first
many people
token
created their
in their
first
life.
tokens here? Yeah, we see a lot. We see a lot of
Yes,
people
first token.
who
Yes,
have created their first token.
yes, created and transacted already. Wow.
Great. That's
See how
great.
many first token. Congratulations for everyone who have created actually. Yeah. For this to create a contract token, I usually took 6 months to learn the Solidity program, what is Remix, what is blockchain, everything.
And
But
I'm
for
still.
you people, yeah, you people in one hour webinar, you are successful in creating, right?
So now what we will do is, as we
You
seeing,
you can say this one, Ash, right?
yes, as we
This
said, this will
this
be your
this will
memorable
be the
day.
memorable day actually, because the one who created the first token, it will be a memorable day. Yeah. Kudos to everyone. Yeah.
So
What you have to do
just
is, yeah, import and just paste your Shardeum address in Discord or in socials. Try to transact. Okay. This will help to stress test the Shardeum network actually. The main aim of the AlphaNet network is to stress test, right? We are doing that one. We are testing the network. We are helping our Nischal and Omar sir to help them to test the network actually. Thank you for being with me all this one and a half year our webinar. Yeah, over to
so
you. Yes.
yeah. So thank you, Vaijanath. This was really helpful, and you taught a lot of people of how to create their own
Yeah.
crypto token. Now, just to thank everybody, we are giving away Shardium merges to people who created
Wow.
tokens on Shardium network. So I will be just dropping the form. 5 lucky people will be getting the Shardium teas. So do drop your smart contract token addresses, and then we'll.
Please note down that smart contract address. I have told you, right? I have noted down here somewhere. You can note it down in text pad anyway. Please note down that smart contract address. Okay.
And do fill in this in the form to get
You
your
dropping the
merge.
form is?
Yeah, I have already dropped the form, so that's there.
Helps us out with the recording. Many are asking for the recording. Yes, you can inform them.
Yeah, so you will be everybody will be getting the recording. It will be available on YouTube, and it will be also mailed it to you. So don't worry about that. You'll get the recording. Now, yeah, Vaijanath, would you like to?
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining this webinar and making successful. Yeah, I just wanted to drop my link also. You can follow me in my socials, in my Twitter, and everyone. If you have any doubts or any questions regarding crypto blockchain, you can contact me. These are my socials. You can drop this link.
Yeah, I have dropped your link. I have
You
dropped your
can
link in
just
the
click
chat
this
box.
Twitter button. It will go to my Twitter. Okay. You can click my Telegram account in Discord. Please feel free to ask any questions. I am very happy. I am happy to help you. This is how I also grown. Okay, many people have helped me. We together help each other and build this Web3, right? We will build together. Please follow me in my socials also. It will help me to contribute more and more. Thank you.
So
You can see
again,
my profile, hash node,
yeah.
anything. You can send me a real Ethereum with my okay. Yeah. Thank you, Ash. Thank you, audience, for bearing with me long 1.5 hours. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. And yeah, as please find the merge giveaway link. And if you have created your token, you can always fill up the
I
form.
want to see that form right away. 1 second. If you have dropped, Ash.
Yeah, the link is here. I have dropped the link. Everybody can just fill
Merge
up the form.
giveaway. Just click this one. Wow. I will show them. No, 1 second.
Yeah, you can also show.
You are there, right? See, okay. When you click that link, you can see the wow, Shardium must give away. Wow.
It will be available. The results will be available on Discord server. So make sure you join Shardium's Discord server as well. Everybody
Yeah.
who's here, Make sure you join Shardium's Discord server. I will just drop the Shardium's Discord link as well.
Here it is. If you open the form, it is there. Just click this Discord link. Okay. Click this Discord link, fill your email address, fill your token contract address, okay, not your Shardium address. Okay, be clear on this, not your SHM address. Okay. please fill your token contract address which you have copied and your Discord name and just click submit. You are in the race, means you have a chance to win that giveaway. Yes, yes.
All right.
Thank
so
you.
thank you everybody. Thank you everybody
ask,
for joining.
yeah.
And yeah, it was great having you, Vaijanath, and
thank you.
everybody enjoyed your presence. So have a good night, everybody.
Please give a feedback in all the socials about this webinar. Okay. Great. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Bye Ash.